Hey guys, I look like Hot Mess Express right now, but I'm going to hurry up and get done with this video. Can't stop sniffing my leg. I don't know what it is, but it is currently 1:21. I have been so stinking busy today. You want to get the 411 on that? If you watch our vlog, if it goes up before this, I'll link it below. If you watched our vlog, you'll know that we didn't get home until 9. We didn't eat. We were still eating supper at 10. Everybody had a shower, eat, all that, because I didn't feed my kids before football practice. Okay, so I'm lacking sleep. I didn't go to bed until like 1 or 2, between there somewhere. I don't know. Today was the first day of school. Who's excited? This one right here. It is so nice to have my house, and it's quiet. There's no screaming. There's no Aubrie complaining at Jake because she doesn't get her way in the background. Anyway. Yeah. Today is day 16, guys. 16. Comment a number 1, like a number 1 finger. I think they have that, number 1 finger. If not, a number 1 finger, comment a number, like a box number 1 below in the comments if you've been here since day 1. Like the intro video, and all. Yeah, today is day 16. We're going to go through our winter clothing. I'm probably just going to bring it all out here in the living room and do it right here on the couch. I think that's going to be pretty easy. Oh, my way home. Then I was like, oh, I forgot the nurse called me about Aubrie shots, so I had to stop by the school. She had to make a copy for the shot records. At least I remembered, guys. I was daydreaming, and yeah, I was daydreaming the right daydreams. Okay, guys. I don't even know where I left off. But I got a phone call from the lady that's supposed to hire me. I've been texting her, then my phone quit working, and then I've been talking to Seth. I'm trying to figure out if going to work is worth it. I mean, I know it's a little extra money, but it's just like not enough. And if I went out and, excuse the background noise with the dogs, but if I went out and found like an actual job, then I would have to like pay for a babysitter. Then that's, so I don't know. I'm just kind of like, the subbing was cool. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is just like subbing in the cafeteria at the schools locally. But I was hoping I could just start as a sub and then, you know, whatever, but I don't know. It's just, I thought it'd be like here or there, not like automatically a full-time position. So I haven't worked. Yeah, I need to do a whole different video on my like working history. So I'm just like overwhelmed. I don't know. I'm greedy, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sorry, I got sidetracked. I started picking out my face. So yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and hop into this video. I don't know how much of that I'm gonna edit out, but we're doing winter clothing. So I did not go through Jake and Aubrie's I'm really apologize about my face, and I'm really nervous, so, and that's kind of happens too. So I didn't go through Jake and Aubrey's stocking caps and scarves, so that's gonna be here. I've got a couple of Aubrey's vests and all of our like coats and stuff. So that's what we're gonna declutter today. It shouldn't take very long. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the video, guys.
I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
Oh, have I not told you I'm bougie?
Please don't wait here until your faith is shaken. There's a whole lot of good.
So this is all I decluttered. Okay. Declutter much, but we don't have a lot of winter clothes. I actually should buy some more. My face looks awful. I'm sorry that this video is super short, but hey, a little bit helps. Every single day, you just do a little bit more, and a little bit more, and little do you know, now that I can't stop staring at my hair. Squirrel brain. Okay, but yeah, I go and cook in my kitchen now, and I'm like, everything is nice in here. Yes, yes. Okay, so I'm super excited about doing my car and my garage tomorrow. What is tomorrow? Ooh, tomorrow. The one of those that I've been waiting for to do, and yeah. So stay tuned tomorrow. Subscribe so you can see the rest of the 20 days. What is there? 3 days. Okay, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so flustered. What am I trying to do here? Oh, extra. Subscribe so you can see more from me. The 20 days is almost over, so I'm gonna get back into my schedule of 3 days, possibly 4, just because we're really liking vlogging, so we might start doing that more. But yes, if you like this video and this gave you motivation to organize some or declutter or organize something little, give it a thumbs up. And if you just like this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Ming, 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 ming. Okay, anyway, I will see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
There's a whole lot of good on your mind and on my mind. And I know that right now I'd like to play the part to rebuild you one more time. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggle